Hello again everyone, this is Mr. Hoy. In this example we're going to talk about vertex form and how that differs from standard form. Um, Vertex form as listed up here is y or f of x equals, and then we're going to use the same a value that we used in standard form. That's the lead coefficient on the x squared. That a value now sits outside of a set of parentheses. So after you get to the parentheses you have x, and then this is very important. It's x minus h. Now h is going to be represented by some number. That number is going to be the x-coordinate of your vertex. So basically, x minus the axis of symmetry, whatever that happens to be. You end the parentheses, make sure to have the squared term outside of those parentheses, and then you're going to add k. K is the y value in your vertex. It's going to be your relative maximum or minimum. You're going to plug that number in here. So you want to make sure you have this vertex form written down somewhere. I'm going to walk through an example. This standard form equation is the same standard form equation I used in the last video detailing how to find the vertex. So you should already see the vertex of 4, 2. So in this scenario, we have our standard form equation written right here. Y equals -1/2 x squared plus 4x minus 6. Again, in the previous video, we determined the vertex before 2. I tried to color code these to match up with the h and the k in the previous example up here. All you need to do with vertex form is place the numbers in the appropriate locations. So for instance, your a value is -1/2. That goes where the a was up there. The h value, or the axis of symmetry, is +4. That's going to go right here after the minus sign. If your h value is a negative number, you'd be plugging in a negative number after a minus sign. In that case, you would get minus negative, which would then convert to a plus. And the parentheses, don't forget the exponent of 2 in the corner, and then you're going to add the y value of the vertex. We refer to that as k up here, so you add the 2 at the end. So again, to recap, the -1/2 is mostly a review from previous weeks, but this is a new term that we're focused on, as is this term right here. So please make sure when you're setting up vertex form, you're not overthinking this too much. You're just taking 3 numbers that you should already have and placing them in the appropriate location, remembering again to follow the minus sign with the 4, and in the event that this h value is negative, you change that from a minus negative to a plus.